Hi all, today we will discuss this pattern. See, this is the pattern. Okay, we will discuss this pattern. Okay, we'll discuss how to write Java program to print this pattern. See, if you observe here, totally how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 5 rows are there, right? So in 5 rows, if you observe, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, for the row 1 number is there. For the row 2, 3, 4, 5. For the row 2 and 4, the elements are not in the sequence order, they are in the reverse order, right? 1, 3, 2. Okay, after that 4, 5, 6. After that, for the even rows, the numbers are in the reverse order, right? So what we have to do here, first of all, okay, so here if you observe, okay, here I am considering, okay, this is the this is the row number 1, right? And this is the row number 2. Okay, and this is the row number 3. Okay, and this is the row number 4. Okay, and this is the row number 5. Okay, if you observe, see, if you observe how this in the row number 2, how the elements are printing, how this 3 number is coming first of all. Okay, so in the row number 2, 3 and 2, see, first of all we have to take one number. I am taking one number, see, 1 plus we have to take one. See, what is the previous number for this row? 1, right? So previous number is equal to 1. Okay, maximum previous number to this number. Okay, previous number is 1, right? Maximum previous number is 1. So maximum previous number plus 1 to maximum previous number plus I, means this is the row number 2, right? So how the numbers are printing is, say for the row number 2, how the number printing is, if you observe how this number is coming is, suppose this is the maximum previous number. Okay, max, I'm taking max previous number. Okay, this equal to 1. Okay, previous number means here. Okay, control examining previous, for this row maximum previous number is 1. Okay, how this 3 and 2 are printing is, from maximum previous, control plus I, right? Plus I and plus 1, right? So what I'm saying is, see how this 3 is coming is maximum previous number plus I. See, I means this is the I value, I equal to 1. For the each row, I value is I equal to 2, right? For this this I equal to 2, like that. Okay, for this I equal to 3, right? For this I equal to 4, for this row I equal to 5, right? So in the second row, how the 3 number is coming is max previous number, means 1 plus what is the I value, 2, right? So how 3 is coming is max previous number 1 plus what is the row number, 2, right? Means I value max previous number plus I2, max previous number plus 1, right? It's printing, right? This is the maximum value, this is the first value, and this is the second value, like that. This is only for even rows, okay? For even rows, okay? For the odd number, for the odd rows, okay, for the odd rows normally the numbers are in the sequence order, okay? But for the even rows, for the I equal to 4 also, this is also even, right? This is also even row, okay? So for the even row, for the how this number is coming like previous. So if you observe this row number 4, how the first number is coming is, see, max previous number plus I, right? Means max previous number is maximum previous number 6, right? Here 6 plus I value 4, right? And the minimum number, how last number is coming is max previous name plus 1, right? 6 plus 1, right? 6 plus 4 and 6 plus 1, right? Like that. Here also max previous name plus I and max previous name plus 1, like that, okay? So for this also we have to consider here maximum previous number in this row is the row number 4, 6, right? In the previous row, what is the maximum number to this fourth row? In the third row, 6 is the maximum number, right? So this is how 6 plus 4, 10, maximum previous number 10 plus max previous number plus 1. In between the elements are printing, right? Like that we have to consider for even rows, okay? So how we can check even and row is like if the number divided by 2, if we do number divided by 2, whenever the remainder is 0, that is even number, right? And number divided, if the number divided by 2 and the remainder is not 0, that is odd number, right? Like that. And here for the even rows, if you observe, for the even rows the numbers are in the decreasing order, okay? See 3, 2, the numbers are in the decreasing order, right? Okay. For the even rows, numbers are in the decreasing order, okay? And for the odd rows, how the numbers are in the increasing order, right? Means here we cannot say increasing order, but here if you observe odd row, this is the odd row, right? 4, 5, 6. For this numbers are in the increasing order for the row, right? Like this. Right? And for these two, for the For the even rows, numbers are in the decreasing order. Okay, so like this we have to assume. Okay, so here I equal to 5 and I equal to 3 and I equal to 1 are in the increasing order as they are odd number of rows. Okay, for the even number of rows, 4 5 for the even number of rows, see, for the even number of rows, how the order of the elements, decreasing order, right? 10 9 8 7 3 2, like that. Okay, so this is how we have to identify the starting number and ending number, and in between we have to print the elements. Okay, so starting for the even rows, we have to identify the first number is maximum previous number plus I and previous number plus 1. Okay, here also previous number plus I and 6 plus 4 and previous number plus 1 and 7, and these are in the decreasing order. Okay, now we will see how to write the program. Okay, so here I have taken scanner class. We are entering the input from the keyboard, and after that how we have to write the program is, see here. So first of all I am taking one variable int num. Okay, int num equal to 0 and int previous number I am taking. Okay, previous num equal to 0. One variable, two variables I am taking, and I am writing here one outer for loop for the each row. Okay, for int I equal to 1. Okay, I less than or equal to n and I plus plus. Okay, for the each row. And if you see, so for the even number of rows I am taking this condition: if I value module 2 equal to 0 with the remainder is 0, that is even number, right? Then we have to print the numbers in the decreasing order, right? So another for loop, j loop I am taking to print the elements. Okay, j is equal to previous number plus I. Okay, this is the starting number for int, right? Int, we have to declare the data type. Okay, for int j is equal to, okay, if this is the condition, we have to after that, and j greater than or equal to, I am taking, so this is the for the even number of rows, this is the first element and this is the last element. Okay, and elements are in the decreasing order. Okay, so like that I am taking. So after that I am printing the elements. Okay, 3 plus space I am adding. Okay, after that if you observe, so after that, so I am increasing the num variable. Okay, each time. Okay, otherwise if the number is not even number, I am taking else condition. In the else condition I am taking another for loop, okay, to print the elements. Okay, int j is equal to previous number plus 1 is 2. So for the odd numbers, the elements are in the, for the odd rows the elements are in the increasing order, right? That's why I'm starting from previous number plus 1 2. So if you observe, for the odd numbers, for the odd number of rows, 4 5 6, these are in the increasing order, right? The elements are in the increasing order. How these elements are coming? Maximum previous number plus, what is the maximum previous number for this row? 3, right? So 3 plus 1 2, 6 maximum number, right? Previous number plus I. Okay, like this. Okay, so for this, control, this is the starting number. Okay, this is the starting number and this is the ending number. Okay, for the odd number of rows. Okay, right? So like this I have to declare here also. Let's one j less than or equal to how much? Previous number plus I, right? Plus I. Okay, and as the elements are in the increasing order for the odd rows, I am taking j plus plus. Okay, after that I am writing and printing the elements. Okay, and after printing the element, again I am incrementing the number, num value, and after that I am coming to next line. Okay, so finally what I am doing after, I am storing this. I am storing this new changed num value, right? So num variable is increasing by 1, right? So that variable, that changed variable, I am keeping in the, I am replacing in the previous number. Okay, this is how to write. Okay, after closing the for loop, I am closing the scanner class to avoid any resource leaks. Now if you observe here, totally how many rows are there? 5 rows, right? So 4 5 6 10 9 8. This is how we work. This is how we want pattern, right? 1 3 2 4 5 6. Okay, so this is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. So first of all, for I equal to 1, it will come to this loop. Okay, so for I equal to 1, okay, I equal to 1 I am taking. So for I equal to 1, 1 modulo 2, right? So 1 modulo 2, is it a even number or odd number? 1 modulo 2, right? 1 modulo 2 means 1 by 2, right? So 2 0 0 and 1 will be the remainder, right? So this is not equal to 0, right? 1 modulo 2, it's not equal to 0, right? 1 modulo 2 is not equal to 0, right? So it will come to else condition. Else condition. If it is remainder is 0, then it will go to this loop. Okay, now remainder is not 0, for I equal to 1, it will come to this loop. So here g is equal to, what is the previous number? 0, right? 0 plus 1. Okay, So j is equal to 1 and j less than or equal to 0 plus what is the I value? 1, right? And so after that it will print directly j, right? Here is our statement. Okay, so it will print j, right? Print j means j is equal to 1, right? Yes. And after that, after printing j value, num value will become 2, num plus, right? So after that j value will increment by 1, right? Means now j value is, before j value is 1, now j value is 2. Okay, so whenever j is equal to 2, okay, 2 less than or equal to previous num plus 1 means 0 plus 1, right? 2 less than or equal to 1, this condition is false, right? So it will print only 1 and it will come to next line. So it will come to next line. Okay, it will come to next line. And now after coming to next line, see here, after coming to next line, so now what is the previous num value? See, okay, come to next line, and the previous num value is equal to num, right? So num means here what is the num value? 2. Okay, so like that. So and now for I equal to 2, so it will print only 1 in the first row. Okay, whenever I equal to 2, if you observe 2 modular 2, remainder is 0, right? So it's a if condition. It will go to if condition, and inside that it will go to for loop. In the for loop, j equal to previous num plus I, means 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? Previous number plus I. Okay, and after that, and j greater than or equal to means 4 greater than or equal to 4 greater than or equal to previous number plus 1, right? Means 2 plus 1. Okay, okay, so after that it will print j value, right? What is the j value? J is equal to 4. Okay, it will print 4, and after printing, num value will be incremented where? So num will become, what is the num value? Previously num value is 2, right? Now it is 3. Okay, and now j value will be incremented by 1, right? J minus. Okay, now so previously j is equal to 4, now j is equal to 3. Okay, whenever j is equal to 3 greater than or equal to 3, right? This is true. 4 greater than or equal to 3, true, and 3 greater than or equal to true. So it will print j value, means what is the j value? It will print 3. Okay, and num value will become 4, right? So sorry, here so for the equal to, it will print, no, it will print, see here, for I equal to 2, it will come to here, right? What is the previous number? should print 3 and 2, right? Okay. For I equal to 1, it will print only 1 and 1. After that, now value will become here 1, right? Because now value is starting 0. Okay, starting from 0, so now value will become 1 here. Okay, so now value will become, so here previous number is 1 only. Okay, so and after that g will become previous number. What is the previous number? 1, right here. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, j greater than or equal to previous number, right? Previous number is 1 only. Previous number is 1 plus 1, means 4 greater than or equal to 2. This is true, so it will print, what is the j value? 3. So and num value will become, what is the num value before? 1. Now it become 2. Okay, after that so now j value will be decrementing, right? Previously it is 3, now it is 2. Okay, so and after that 2 greater than or equal to previous number plus 1 means 2. Yes, 2 greater than or equal to, so it will print, what is the j value? 2. Okay, it will print 3 and 2, and now num value will become 3. Okay, so after that now j value will be decreasing, right? 1. Okay, so after that 1 greater than or equal to 2, this condition is false, right? So it will not print this condition. It will come to next line. Okay, it will not print, right? It is false, and it will directly come to next line. It will come to next line, means the next row. Okay, so this is how. So for the row 1, whenever I equal to 1, it will print only 1 in the first row. For the row number 2, I equal to 2, it will print 3 and it will print 2. Okay, after that it will come to next row. For I equal to 3, 4, 5 also like that only. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so here if you see, okay, so this is how it will execute. Okay, this is the flow how it will execute the program line by line. Okay, and for the 2 rows I explained. Okay, for the remaining rows it will be the same, and this is how we have to write the program to print this pattern. Okay, if you have any doubt, hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.